Alright guys, we got Mr. Cutlets here, 2016 Super Jumbo Bowman Draft. Good luck. I call this the rack pack break. Alright, let's see a super. Alright, there's all the paper. Nick Birdie, or Zach Birdie, excuse me. Fantasy Impact. Greg Maddox, Draft History. And Autograph, Nolan Jones. You were wrong. Dom Thompson Williams, Refractor. Paper. Robert Tyler, $4.99 paper. And Joe Rizzo, purple. It's number to 250. Pack 2. Will Craig, Fantasy Impact. Ozzie Smith, Draft History. Ooh, Red Wave autograph. Cole Reagans. 3 of 5. Very nice. 30th overall. Paper. Al Canson, blue, and base. Boom! On a red wave. Hack number 3. Base, paper. Autograph, Pete Alonso, Mets. Orange paper, Colby Allard. It's number to 25. Some more orange coming up. Orange refractor of Ryan Bolt. Numbered 18 of 25. J Puck. Pretty solid box so far. Paper base. Alright, Chase DeYoung, Mike Piazza Draft History, and base autograph, Ronnie Dawson. Astros. Connor Jones to $4.99 paper. And Phil Bickford, blue, unnumbered. All right, the last pack. Paper. Some purple. Billy McKinney, Johnny Bench draft history, and purple autograph of Bryce Wilson, Atlanta Braves. 164 of 250. Paper blue, Robert Tyler to 150. And finish with green refractor, Austin Meadows. And that's 13 of 99. All right, Tommy. Appreciate it, man. Hopefully you enjoyed the break. I'll get it packed up and out ASAP.